Good morning guys, welcome to G-Link. Today I'm super excited because I got two things and the first thing is of course my drone. Yes, I lost my drone last year. I retrieved it yesterday anyhow and I am in process of taking the DGCA and the authorities approval so that from tomorrow in my vlogs you can see the sky view. And second thing is the most special gift from you guys. Yes, it's you guys. It's the first gift from YouTube. Yes, I got a soft pillow from YouTube for the likes, for the hours of watching my videos and subscribing my channel. Thank you. Welcome to G-Link.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And